China-made drone shot down by DRDOs laser system near Jammu border. The Indian Army recently brought down a Chinese-origin drone being used by the Pakistan Army along the line of control LOC in the Jammu region. The drone was reportedly brought down by the indigenously designed and developed integrated drone detection and interdiction system. According to defense sources cited by ANI, Army air defense units deployed in the 16-Corps area, located south of the Purpanjal ranges in the Jammu region, brought down the Chinese-origin drone. The integrated drone detection and interdiction system can jam, spoof, and neutralize enemy drones over various distances and in various situations. The Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO has developed the system, which has been widely deployed along India's borders. It features a 2 kW laser beam capable of neutralizing enemy drones from a range of 800 to 1000 meters, reported ANI citing sources. The system developed by DRDO has been used by the Indian Army in counter-drone operations, reported PTI. Swipe left for next video. Meanwhile, in another major development by DRDO, it recently successfully conducted the release trials of the long-range glide bomb LRGB Gaurav between 810 April 2025 from the Su-30 MKI aircraft, according to an official statement. LRGB Gaurav is a 1000 kg class glide bomb, designed and developed indigenously by Research Center Imara Armament Research and Development Establishment and Integrated Test Range, Chandipur. Senior officials of DRDO and the Indian Air Force IAF participated in and reviewed these trials, said DRDO. Latest blogs.